Every comedian today has an impression or two that they do. Now, there's not a lot of people getting by right now on just impressions, and I would recommend that you not do that. Yeah, it's okay to have some impressions, particularly if it's a famous celebrity with a unique voice, somebody that you can manage to do, but I wouldn't want to be known as the impression guy. So for instance, I would not say, oh hey, here's an impression of so-and-so doing this.
Tom Brokaw asking where the library is in Spanish.
Okay.
¿Dónde está la biblioteca? Christopher Walken trying to open a jar of peanut butter. No!
No, actually work that into a bit. For example, I do a bit about the Fast and Furious franchise needing a new blonde guy, because Paul Walker's dead. So I say, hey, how about Owen Wilson? Wow, I'm so excited to be part of this whole multi-ethnic crew. We got a Latina and 2 black men. I'm not sure what Dwayne and Vin are, but I can be your token white guy. With blonde hair. Oh hey, maybe after the heist we can all go get some salsa. That works out because there's some kind of story behind it. There's a reason for Owen Wilson to pop up here. And it's not just as simple as, oh hey, it's time for me to do a Christopher Walken impression. And that's another thing. You gotta think about age here. I mean, I can do a decent Sean Connery, but the guy has got to be kicking the bucket soon. He may be dead by the time I post this. Owen Wilson is a good bet right now. He seems healthy. He's about 50 years old. He's got some time on him. People know who he is.